Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Microsoft 365 absolutely for free. In order to use Microsoft 365 apps on your computer, you need to buy either monthly or yearly subscription and pay every month. But what if I told you can get it absolutely for free without using any crack software or so? There are two ways you can get Microsoft 365 for free. Well, there might be more than two ways, but these two ways are my preferred methods. So in this video, we'll explore these two methods. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. The first way is to use Microsoft 365 web apps. Now, Microsoft gives us access to their Microsoft 365 web apps absolutely for free. For that, you need to create a Microsoft account if you haven't already. Now sign in using your Microsoft account to access these apps. Now the good thing about these apps is you can save your documents, presentation and spreadsheets directly to the cloud, which you get alongside your Microsoft account. So you don't need to worry about ever losing the file like when you save locally. It gives many features like autosave, OneDrive, sharing files and folders, and much more. Now there are some disadvantages as well. For this method, you need a 24/7 internet connection. It can be really annoying if by any chance you don't have access to the internet, or even if you have a really bad internet connection. But if you can access the internet whenever you need, there should be no problem at all. The second way is to join the developer program for Microsoft 365 platform. This is the method I would recommend if you cannot have access to internet all the time. By joining the developer program for Microsoft 365, you can have the subscription for free. So here's how you can do that. You can just Google for Microsoft 365 developer and click the first link and then click on join now. It will ask you to sign in using your Microsoft account and you'll be redirected to this page. Fill in with your details and check I accept the terms and conditions and then click next. It will prompt you a couple of questions. Answer them with your preference. Now it will prompt you to set up your Microsoft 365 sandbox. As you can see, with this you'll get 90 days renewable E5 subscription. After 90 days, you can simply renew it through this website. Select Instant Sandbox and click Next. Again, fill this with your details and create an admin account and continue. Now you have to verify your identity using your phone number. So enter your phone number and you will receive a 6-digit code. Enter your code here and click on Setup. Now go to your subscription. This version is optional, but it's good to have an extra layer of security. Now you have to set up Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone. Install this app from your Google Play Store or App Store and scan this QR code and enter the code shown on your computer. Now for some reason this isn't working for me. If this isn't working for you as well, click on I want to set up a different method. Instead, use your phone number for verification. You'll see a 6-digit OTP. Enter that OTP here and click Next. Now click Done. As you can see, sign-in method is complete. Now you can install the Microsoft 365 apps on your computer. After the installation is complete, sign in using your developer Microsoft account. That should look similar to this. Now this might take a while. And there you go. You now have the subscription for Microsoft 365 apps for 3 months. After 3 months, you need to renew it. Now my recommendation is to join the developer program because basically full version desktop app has a bit more features than web version. And the main advantage is that you can use it offline as well. If you find the developer version a bit confusing and you have internet access all the time, don't hesitate to use web apps because they are free for a lifetime. So this is it for me in this video. I hope you liked this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you did and definitely get subscribed. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.